Hi everyone. If you're just starting welding, the first step is knowing the essential tools. In this video, I'll show you the basic equipment every beginner welder needs. Safety comes first. A good welding helmet protects your eyes. Gloves shield your hands from heat. And a thick jacket or apron keeps you safe from sparks. Next, the main tools. A welding machine. Inverter welders are great for beginners. Electrode holder and ground clamp to pass the current. Electrodes. Choose the right type for your project. A chipping hammer and wire brush for cleaning your welds. And clamps to hold metal pieces in place while you work. With just these simple tools, you can start practicing welding safely. Step by step, you'll improve your skills. Don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly welding tutorials.